In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Steam profile to public in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you'll be able to share your gaming achievements and connect more easily with friends and fellow gamers. First, let's start by opening your Steam application. You can do this either on your desktop or by navigating through your computer's installed programs. Once the Steam app is open, you'll see a login option. Click on that to proceed. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to enter your Steam account name and password. Take your time to ensure the details are correct, as any errors will prevent you from logging in. Once your details are entered, click on the Sign In button and you should be redirected to your Steam homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, it's time to access your profile. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your username. Click on your profile name, which will give you a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on View My Profile. This is where you can see your public-facing profile as others might see it. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the upper right section of the page, so go ahead and click on that. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your profile, from your profile picture to your bio, so feel free to explore those options later if you wish. But for our current task, let's shift our focus to privacy settings. In the navigation options, you should see Privacy Settings. Click on this option. Now you're in the section that controls who can see different parts of your profile and activity. Here you'll find an option for My Profile. This part of the settings dictates who can view your overall Steam profile. To set it to public, simply select the public option. By doing this, anyone can see your Steam profile, your game details, and other associated information that you choose to share. Before wrapping up, make sure to review the changes you've made. Steam will usually save them automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that everything is set as you intended. And there you go. Your Steam profile is now public, allowing you to engage more freely with the Steam community. Whether it's sharing your latest gaming feats or connecting with gamers worldwide, having a public profile can enhance your overall experience on the platform. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Enjoy your Steam adventures.